Right guys, a challenge. Can we make a spag bol, a dessert and a drink for £5? I can't, but I know someone that can. Lucy Lou, do you accept the challenge?
Accept it.
Following you, let's go. Let's get to Asda. Look at Vinny. Vinny, you look like a cock, mate. What's going on? And here we go. Right, where to first?
Pasta sauce.
Okay, let's go. Right, we're here.
No pasta sauce.
No pasta sauces. What are you going to do now?
One Bailey, tin tomatoes.
Tin tomatoes, let's go. Oh my word, no way. You found some
39p.
39p. We actually found some bolognese sauce. Come on. We don't need tomatoes now. Right, what now to?
Spaghetti.
Okay, spaghetti.
23p.
23p. What are we on now? 62p. Not bad so far. Where to now? Meat. We need the meat.
Right, come on.
Right, the meat. Oh, you're joking. There's no meat. What now? Where are we going to get it from?
I'm going to have a look in the frozen.
Frozen section.
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, how much is it? £2.65. Let's have a look at it. Ah, frozen mint with onions as well. We got onions in as well. Right, what's your total, Lou? £3.27. Right, you need to get a dessert and a drink.
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread. Garlic bread. How much?
32.
32p. What you on now?
£3.59.
Right, I want a dessert and I want a drink as well.
Got no cheese.
Come on, you can do it, Lou. You can do
Let's
it.
go.
68 pence. What are you getting out? What is it? Strawberry cheesecake. Love it. Right, what's all? A 4.27. Oh my god, we'll be able to get cheese as well for the spag bol and a drink.
Oh no, £2.40.
£2.40 the cheese. Ah, look at them. 55p.
We can't have them.
Of course we can. It's cheese.
Okay.
55p. Right, add that up, Lou. What have we got? We might even have enough for a drink. Oh my god, we've got
4.82.
18 pence left. 18 pence
Okay,
left.
I'll try. It was 26p anyway, but there isn't any.
The lemonade was 26 pence. We nearly did it, Lou. We nearly did it. Right, let's get to the tills. Let's get it home. Let's get it cooked up.
And you're going to have to carry it
Why?
because we ain't brought a bag.
Oh, you're joking. Can we not buy one?
Nope.
No. Oh my god, we've got 18p spare though. Right, go on, tally it up. Let's go. Right, there it is. There's the grand total. £4.82. Lucy, there's your fiver. Congratulations, but you just didn't get a drink. You almost did the challenge.
I would have done it if I'd been able to get fresh mints.
True, if you had a cut fresh mints, you would have been able to do it.
Could have got a bag.
Like, you're going to make me carry it. You're going to make me carry it.
Yeah. Mark, you got one job.
Oh.
Do not drop it.
I don't know why you can just brought a quarter back. I'm like a thief. Right, we're back home now, guys. What are you thinking, Lou?
I'm thinking that we're going to cook up half of this to go with the jar because it won't do enough with just one jar.
Right, you're saying there's too much mint to the jar.
Yeah, so this is going to do another meal.
Yeah, perfect. We'll stick in the freezer. Let's get to it then.
So first of all, I'm going to get the cheesecake on a plate, get this defrosted for pudding.
Good idea. Oh my word, that looks great. For 68 pence.
Delish.
That looks really good. Ah, cutting the side. Ah, taking the foil off now while it's frozen. Good idea, Lucy Lou. Perfect.
This is becoming a firm favourite with me.
What's that?
The yellow range.
It's good, isn't it? It's not bad value, isn't it? For money, for £5 though, for a meal and a dessert. I think it's a good deal. Let's see the taste though first. Let's judge it after we've eaten it and see what it's really like.
Oil in the pan. And half of this in.
Just putting half of it in, yeah?
Yeah, just half.
And what are you going to save the other half for?
Maybe a cottage pie.
Nice.
Right, let's give that a mix around. And let's get some of this in the pan.
Wow, that's really shrunk, hasn't it, the meat? Oh my word. I think you might have to put the whole packet in, to be honest.
Shall we?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. That's really, really shrunk. I think the whole pack is going in. There we go. It would have been good. It would have been better if the fresh one had been there. But they didn't have any fresh, so we had to get the frozen.
I like the way this has got the onions in it.
Good idea, isn't it? It's good.
Yeah.
Saves you buying an onion.
And you know me, I love garlic bread.
Garlic bread, it's the future. Right, what are you doing with that?
I'm going to put some cheese in it.
Cheesy garlic bread? Oh, that's a great idea. Brilliant. What are you using? Cheese slices. They're just so fiddly, aren't they, to open?
I'm just going to stick it in these like that.
Perfect. Look at that. Cheesy garlic bread. What are you doing? What's it like? Is it nice? Cheesy garlic bread.
Right, that's done. Let's have the sauce.
Was it a perfect mixture? Let's have a look.
I think so.
I think you got it right. I think it was, yeah, full packet.
And get this cheesy garlic bread in.
Oh my god, that looks absolute amazing. Well done for that.
Pasta's done. Let's drain this off. I'm going to add this to this pan.
Ah, you're adding a spaghetti with the bolognese sauce
Yep.
and the meat. Oh wow, yeah. Looks good that, Lou. Looks really good. Let's get it plated up and let's try it. Nice. Wow, you got loads, haven't you?
Absolutely tons.
How many people do you reckon that will feed?
6.
6 people?
Yeah.
For less than a £5.
Less than a £5.
That is a bargain. You know what, Lou? It looks alright, but do you know what it's missing? It's missing some cheese. Can I get some cheese on it, please?
There you go.
Thank you very much. Right, let's get stuck in.
There you go.
Get in there, guys. All that for less than a £5. Right, so it's time to give it an honest review and give it an honest try. Let's get a bit of cheese on there. Right, first things first. Let's give it a little cut there. Do you know what? That's not that bad. Right, let's try this cheesy garlic bread. Oh, that looks lovely. That looks nice. Oh, that garlic bread is beautiful. That is really nice. Now let's try the creme de creme, the cheesecake. Right, we've got a piece of that. Let's give it a taste. Bellissimo! Italian from Asda Essential Range. Go and give it a try. And there's the receipt. If anyone wants to copy, make sure you're following for more savvy food deals.